In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Ryver. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Ryver download page. And here I will be downloading the Windows installer. And then I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet Package Explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools, then I will click on Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Then I will double click on Chocolatey Install and on this Edit button. And then I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have a PowerShell snippet that I will be using in my package. And this snippet will configure active setup to execute the installation for each user on the computer during the logon process. And I'm using active setup because Ryver is a type of software that needs to be installed under the user account, and the installation needs to be executed by the user. To copy the snippet, I will click on the button right here, and then I will go to my package and insert it here. And for it to work, we need to provide the installation file name and also the silent switches. For the installation file name, I will go to my downloads folder, right click on the installation file, select rename, then I select full name to include the extension, right click again and select copy. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. And for the silent switches, I will go back to my GitHub page once again, and here I have the silent switch that I will be using. So I will click on the button right here to copy the value, go back to the package and insert the value right here. And that's all the modifications that we need to do for this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. Then for the package ID, I will enter Ryver. For the package version, I will enter 1.3.2. We can see the version number on the installation file right here. Then for the authors, I will leave it at list automation. And for the package description, I will enter Ryver package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to modify. Now we can save it by clicking on the save button right here. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. So let's click on Save, and then let's go to the Downloads folder. And now that I have my package here, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation, because I will be installing this package on this virtual machine. Then I will go to my downloads folder and I will place the package in here. And now that we have the package here, we can try to install it. And for that, I will open my terminal application. I will run it as administrator, because we need administrative privileges to configure active setup. And here I will enter Choco install. Then we need to provide the package ID, and you can see it in the NuGet Package Explorer here. So it's Ryver. And because I will be using this virtual machine's downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I will add -s, and then I need to provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed, but we don't have the software itself yet, because we need to trigger active setup. And to trigger active setup, I need to sign out and sign back in. So let's close everything here. Let's sign out. And let's sign back in. And let's wait a bit. And the Ryver desktop shortcut appeared here, and that means that the software installation was successful. If I double click on it, it opens up and gives us the sign-in screen. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.